Hello learners, welcome to this tutorial on using the Python window in ArcMap for scripting and automation. In this session, you will learn how to print text, perform calculations, list layers, and run scripts in ArcGIS Desktop version 10.5 with the ArcPy. Getting started with the Python console. The Python console in ArcMap allows you to execute code directly within your ArcGIS session. To open it, go to Geoprocessing, click on Python, or click on Python icon. An interactive Python console will appear. Example 1, print a file path with the quotes. Print. Loading. Data from double quotation. C/GIS projects. Forestry dot VDB for geodatabase. Close quotation. Enter. Loading data from C/GIS projects forestry GDB. Let's correct this capital letter to small one. Example 2, calculate area conversion. For example, from square meters to square kilometers. To convert a forest area, for example, from square meters to square kilometers, we write area square meters equal 250,000 meters. Area square kilometers equal fluid area square meters divided by 1,000,000. Length forest area kilometer square dot format area square kilometers. Enter. The output is forest area, 0.25 kilometers square. Example 3, combine workspace and feature class paths. To define workspace and feature class variables, we write workspace equal are strings, C data feature class equal country.shp shapefile. Full path equal workspace plus slash plus feature class. Print feature class location, comma, full path. The output feature class location, C data slash country.shp. Running scripts. We can run code directly in the Python console, or we can run it externally. For example, we can use Python IDE or command line with the ArcPy installed. ArcPy. Python 2.7 associated with the ArcGIS 10.5. We can go to File, Open Scripts. For example, we can just run this script for copy country shapefile as new name country copy test. Firstly, define input and output paths. Then ensure the output directory exists. If not, check if folder exists. Try check if input file exists. If not, arcpy.exists input path. Raise exception input file does not exist. But if the path not exists, arcpy.create folder management os.path.dir output directory. Check if output file already exists. If arcpy.exists output path, print output file already exists. Dot overwriting arcpy.delete underscore management output path, delete the existing file, then execute copy arc.py copy management from input path to output path, print successfully copied. Dot format input comma output path. Accept exception as A, print error dot format A, and accept arcpy dot execute error, print arcpy error, print arcpy dot get message. We can run it clicking on run model or just F5. Restart Udemy ArcPy, copy file in arcpy.py. Output file already exists. Overwriting successfully copied country.shp to output country copy test.shp. We can run script in the Visual Studio Code. For example, import arcpy.mapping, reference a specific mxd file, mxd equal arcpy.mapping.map document, rstring, c/data/arcpy.mxd. Print all layer names. For layer in ArcPy.mapping.listLayers mxd, print layer, layer.name. Access the name attribute. We have to select Python 2.7, which is associated with the ArcMap. We should click on Ctrl-Shift-P. Python, select interpreter. For example, I have Python with the QGIS, base Anaconda 3, BJ environment, GP, PyQGIS, TF-GPU, but I am choosing Python 2.7.12. From C, Python 27, ArcGIS 10.5, /python.exe. If this one not existed, we can edit it from interpreter path. Now we can run the script. The output is layer, view country copy 1, country copy, measured copy, and boundary layer. Key tips for ArcPy scripting: path handling. Use raw string to avoid escape character issues. For example, rstring c/data. For error handling, wrap code in try except blocks to debug issues. And for troubleshooting, if a layer is not listed, ensure the MXD is saved and layers are loaded into the table of contents. If ArcPy not found, verify ArcGIS Desktop is installed and Python is configured to use the ArcGIS Python environment. That's all for today's session, and happy scripting.